Hi, I'm Larissa Mañón Mervin, the new CEO at Charlotte Center for Legal Advocacy. I'm super excited about this opportunity and thrilled to be here to lead this incredible organization who was a sister organization of the organization that I just came from, Legal Aid of North Carolina. I started off as a dance major in college and thought I was going to be a dance teacher or a dance performer. And then, kind of midway through college, had an advisor kind of show me a different way. And I had been thinking a lot about what I wanted to do career wise, knew that dance probably wasn't it as much as I enjoyed it as a hobby. And started thinking a lot about my upbringing and different experiences that I had had growing up. And I grew up in a household that was lower resourced and immigrant father, a mom from Puerto Rico, my dad's from Dominican Republic. And they had, my dad had experienced certain challenges. My mom had experienced certain challenges that I saw growing up. And also just in my community, living in a lower income community, I saw various challenges and really thought about, ways that I'd be able to give back. I have some family that works in health and human services, and that was their way of giving back. And so, again, I had an advisor at the time who knew about legal services, which I didn't really know about. I didn't know about legal aid and civil legal services, but she directed me that way. And I got an internship with Legal Aid of North Carolina at that time while I was at UNC Greensboro as an undergrad. And that really introduced me to Legal Aid of North Carolina as the first legal services provider that I knew about. And that's where I was at for quite some time before coming here to Charlotte Center for Legal Advocacy. So I love the work that Charlotte Center for Legal Advocacy works in. I love the practice areas. I'm committed to immigrants. I'm committed to people having healthcare access and making sure their needs are met for our veterans and our elders, making sure that they're well protected. I also really appreciate the long-standing presence the Advocacy Center has had in the Charlotte community. As someone who moved here in 2018, I consider it home now. My children, it's their home. It's where we're raising them. To be able to give back in this way to an organization that has had such an impact on our community and the needs of our community is, I just think, a really incredible privilege.